computer. And I get to drive it in one of those. I'm 12 years old all over again. I consider Yearling Co's 2007 as a sort of maturation of our people-powered movement. When we first came in 5 years ago, started organizing online, we looked at the institutions of our Democratic Party and its allied organizations and saw nothing but failure. We were losing elections. There didn't seem to be a lot of hope. We had Tom DeLay say that we were in a new era of a permanent Republican majority. But then, something great happened. We started organizing online. A bunch of labor unions, including Teamsters and SEIU and others like it, decided that status quo was no longer tenable. They decided to reform themselves. It is critical to our people power movement that we reach people wherever they may be, whether it's online, whether it's people who are working, getting their hands dirty every day. My hands are pretty clean, but a lot of people get their hands dirty. They're not on the computer. We need those people. But we were losing union members, and if there's one thing we knew is that there was no better way to reach people than through unions. Union members. In the South, John Kerry lost a white male vote and lost it by a lot. But he won the white male union voter. Gun owners, down the list, if they were a union member, they were going to be far more likely to vote Democratic than anybody else. So we need a healthy labor movement, and these guys are helping build a new movement that's growing and giving us more Democrats. And we're going to keep the Democrats in power accountable. Absolutely, we're going to keep them accountable. They can no longer take any of us for granted. So, it is my profound honor to introduce Jim Hoffa, President of the Teamsters.